Golden Book Video presents She-Ra, Princess of Power.
I am Adora, He-Man's twin sister and defender of the Crystal Castle. This is Spirit, my beloved steed. Fabulous secrets were revealed to me the day I held aloft my sword and said, "For the honor of Grayskull, I am She-Ra!" I and my friends of the Great Rebellion strive to free Etheria from the evil forces of Hordak.
And now, Chapter 1, The Sword of She-Ra. Long before Adora had learned her true identity, Castle Grayskull lay hidden on the rocky, battle-torn planet of Eternia. Locked within its cold walls were all the ancient secrets of ages past. The Sorceress now revealed the most amazing of those secrets to Prince Adam and Cringer.
Adam, this is the sword of protection.
It looks like the power sword you gave me. The one that changes me into He-Man and Cringer into Battle Cat.
You must return the sword to its true owner, who lives on a planet called Etheria.
I will go, Sorceress. But how will I recognize the sword's owner?
The sword will guide you. But hurry, this magic portal will carry you to Etheria.
Let's go, Cringer.
Oh, no.
We're here, Cringer. A battle. One against many. Be gone, you cowards!
Take that, rebel! Retreat, fiend! Back, you! They're retreating!
Run! Flee while we can! Hordak must be warned of the stranger!
Well fought, stranger.
My name is Adam from Eternia.
I'm Bo, archer for Etheria.
What is this evil horde? And who is Hordak?
You'd better come with me. There is much for you to learn.
Others are also seeking knowledge in the dark, forbidding land known as the Fright Zone, home of the evil horde. Shadow Weaver senses Adam's arrival.
The cards warn of a stranger, Lord Hordak. His name is Adam. He brings great trouble.
We will deal with him, Shadow Weaver. Force Captain Adora, take your army and destroy this intruder.
Never fear. You have trained me well, Hordak. It will be done.
Unaware of Hordak's scheming, Bo leads Adam through the magical Whispering Woods.
All who oppose Hordak find sanctuary here. Princess Glimmer, I've brought a new recruit, Adam.
Welcome, Adam.
Princess, I'm a stranger to your land. What's this all about?
Once Etheria was a peaceful world. Then the evil horde invaded, led by Hordak. Many have become slaves. We of the Great Rebellion fight for our freedom, and the freedom of my mother, Queen Angela. Hordak captured her, but we don't know where she's been hidden.
We do now, dearie. I have news that's cheery. She's on Beast Island. That's it. What a wit.
Adam, this is Madame Razz. She can conjure a spell to help us.
Thank you, dear. I'll get us there. Over water we will float in a fleet of sail goats.
Razz, you did it again.
Goats? Didn't Madame Razz mean to conjure up boats?
Shh, she meant well. And they are faster than boats. Besides, that must be Beast Island now.
Suddenly, an evil horde warship attacks.
Bo! Adam! Fly for your lives!
Hang on, Cringer.
In the confusion, Prince Adam and Cringer become separated from the others. Reaching Beast Island, Adam draws his power sword.
By the power of Grayskull, I have the power! Let's go, Cat, for Etheria and freedom! Glimmer and Bow are battling the Horde. Into battle!
We must find Queen Angela.
Hurry! To the prison!
And I have another to find. The true owner of the Sword of Protection. The sword? It's glowing! You're the one I seek? But how can that be? You serve evil.
I serve Hordak, rebel. You have brought the evil rebellion here.
As Adora reaches for the Sword of Protection,
Hordak will be pleased. What is this?
Have no fear, Princess Adora. I am your friend. I bring the truth.
What?
Look. All these years, Hordak has tricked you. He is evil, and his evil is spreading across Etheria.
No. He wants what's best for Etheria. I trust him.
Hordak kidnapped you when you were an infant. He raised you, but you don't belong to him, Adora. You have a twin brother, Adam, who journeyed to Etheria to find you. Now he lies stunned by your laser blast, in his other identity as He-Man, the sworn protector of Eternia, just as you must protect Etheria.
This isn't possible.
You are She-Ra, Princess of Power. Use that power wisely, for the cause of good.
Adora raises the Sword of Protection.
For the honor of Grayskull, I am She-Ra!
You now have the power of healing, She-Ra. Awaken He-Man. He-Man, meet your sister, She-Ra, Princess of Power.
Force? Captain Adora? My sister?
I'm sorry for the evil I caused, but I will make it up to you and all Etheria.
Quickly, She-Ra, awaken the others. We have little time to lose.
Who? I am She-Ra. I come from a place far away, as does He-Man. We are here to help you.
Where's Adam?
He's safe, friend Bow.
More than can be said for you, rebels.
That remains to be seen, Hordsmen. For Etheria and freedom!
Back, you beast!
Give up, rebel!
The rebels hold back the Horde as Glimmer frees Angela.
Oh, Glimmer, I've given up hope.
Well fought, She-Ra.
Well, I am your sister.
Keep fighting! The Hordsmen are retreating!
Shoo! Scat! Scram!
This was just the first battle, He-Man. There will be others. Will you stay?
If I could, I would, dear sister. But I'm needed on Eternia.
Just as I am needed here. But perhaps one day...
We shall meet and join our powers for the forces of good. For the honor of Grayskull, we have the power! Farewell, my sister. For Etheria, then. She-Ra, Princess of Power.
Farewell, He-Man. Fly, Swift Wind, for Etheria!
Chapter 2, Glimmer of Hope. A full Etherian moon glows softly in the sky, while inside the crystal castle, Princess Adora, awakened by hoofbeats, has rushed to the window.
Who could be coming here this late and in such a hurry? It's Queen Angela and her royal guards. Something must be wrong.
Adora! Adora! Adora, hurry and get dressed. I need your help.
Queen Angela, what is it?
My daughter, Glimmer. She's been kidnapped by Catra. She's being held prisoner on Beast Island. And look at the ransom note.
Surrender, bright moon, or Glimmer's light will shine no more.
I can't give up my land. I'm Queen of Bright Moon, and I have a duty to my people. But I'm a mother, too. Surely I can't sacrifice my only daughter. Please, Adora, can you help me?
She-Ra can. I shall find her. Gather your forces and meet her at Beast Island.
Moments later, Adora stands behind the stables with her horse, Spirit. She raises the sword of protection.
For the honor of Grayskull, I am She-Ra!
As the new day dawns, She-Ra and Swiftwind fly toward Beast Island.
If I can find Double Trouble, she'll be able to tell us about Catra's evil scheme.
She-Ra, you've come, and just in time.
Quickly, tell me what's happening.
Not only has Catra kidnapped Glimmer, but she's locked her in a pitch-black dungeon.
Without a source of light, Glimmer is powerless.
Yes, her staff has run out of power, and there's not a ray of light in that cell to recharge it.
Look, in the distance, Angela has arrived to rescue Glimmer.
She can't. The dungeon is surrounded by a fence with a powerful force field. No one can get in to rescue her.
There has to be a way to... Look!
Angela is leading the townspeople from Bright Moon. They're trying to ram the fence.
But the force field!
You'll never get through. My force field is more powerful than all of you.
There's Madame Razz on Broom. She's flying over the force field. It looks like she's going to make it.
Die! Oh, no! Give up! You can't fly high enough to get over my force field. Glimmer is doomed.
I've thought and can't help but wonder, why don't Bo and I just dig our way under?
Fools! You will never enter the dungeon. Why try?
If we're going to rescue Glimmer, it will take more than courage, magic, or strength. We must use our minds.
Think quickly, She-Ra.
She-Ra and Swiftwind hurry to join Queen Angela and the defeated citizens of Bright Moon.
Thank you for coming, She-Ra, but it's no use.
Don't give up, Angela.
We've tried everything to get past that dreadful force field.
And Glimmer grows weaker every minute. I know. Glimmer needs light. I will summon the glitter bugs.
Those little things? What good are they?
Bigger isn't always better, Angela.
Calling on her superpowers, She-Ra sends forth a mind message summoning the glitter bugs. As the townspeople and Angela watch in wonder, the glitter bugs gather.
Why, there must be millions of them. Look, a message. We want to help.
I was sure they would come to Glimmer's aid.
But how, She-Ra?
You'll see, Angela.
As the moon rises higher, the glitter bugs take on more and more of its light. Soon they are all aglow, ready to carry out She-Ra's plan.
Look! The glitter bugs are slipping through the tiny holes in the force field.
Yes, and they're small enough to fly into the dungeon through the cracks in the walls.
What now, She-Ra?
The rest is up to Glimmer.
Inside Catra's dark, dank dungeon cell.
What's that? Glitterbugs! You must have come to help me.
The glitterbugs fly once around the darkened room and gather in the center to form a great ball of light.
Marvelous! Light to recharge my staff. Thank you, all of you.
All through the night, Glimmer's staff absorbs the glitterbug's light.
Catra's jailer, it must be morning, and my staff has reached full power.
When the jailer opens the prison door...
No breakfast for me today, thank you. I'm checking out.
Glimmer escapes from the cell and runs out into the courtyard.
Thanks to the glitterbugs, my staff should have just enough power left to blast through that force field. It worked! I'm free!
Your escape has failed, Glimmer.
The guards! They're coming after me! And my staff, it's out of power! I'll have to run for it!
We'll soon have you back in your cell.
Back off, mister. You're no match for me. She-Ra! I said back! Back to your dungeons where you belong! Oh, She-Ra! I knew you'd save me! How can I ever thank you? Don't thank me. Thank the glitterbugs. By gathering their tiny lights, they were able to free you from Catra's dungeon. But come, we must hurry. Here, Swiftwind!
Swiftwind soared into the sky, carrying She-Ra and Glimmer back to Bright Moon. Later, after Angela and her subjects have returned to Bright Moon, Princess Adora hosts a party.
It's so good to have you back, Glimmer.
It's good to be home, Mother.
And Adora, thank you for this wonderful party. But where's She-Ra?
Well, she was invited. Maybe she'll show up later. Look, some other guests have just arrived. The glitterbugs! And they're spelling out another message. Why, it says...
Welcome home, Glimmer. Welcome home.
Welcome home, Glimmer!
Chapter 3. The Fear Factory. In a forbidding factory at the source of the Singing River, Catra schemes.
Go! Tell my horde to dig coal and metals to feed my magnificent fear factory. For I will build all that I need to have the domain that I deserve in Etheria.
As the gears grind, pollution darkens the placid waters of the Singing River, and the steam rolls up, forming clouds that blacken the sun. Meanwhile, downriver...
Look! Up there! Those clouds!
Listen to the wind.
Look at my sheep. They were drinking from the river. Now they're falling down.
We must seek help from Queen Angela! Queen Angela, you must help us!
Are my lambs dead?
No, they aren't dead. Something in the water has put them into a deep sleep.
What can it mean?
It could only be Catra. I don't know why. We must warn everyone that the Singing River is dangerous.
Angela's messengers cannot travel fast enough to warn two Twiggets. Sprag and Spiritina are playing pirates on the Singing River.
Batten down the hatches, Spiritina!
Ho, you Twiggets! Where are you bound on such a lovely day?
To find adventure pressure and pressure, matey.
The afternoon's play turns dangerous as the filthy water from Catra's fear factory surges toward their fragile craft.
Look out, Sprag! Hold on, Spiritina!
I can't swim!
For the honor of Grayskull, I am She-Ra! Twiggets, quickly take my hand. Hurry, Spiritina. Alert the others. I'll do what I can for Sprag.
She-Ra gently picks up the little Twigget and bathes him in the warm golden glow of her magic healing power.
What happened?
Something has turned the singing river into an angry tidal wave.
Just then, Spiritina returns with Angela.
She-Ra, I see the pollution has spread to the Whispering Woods.
In Thamor, it cast the animals into a deep sleep. No one can waken them.
The villagers are panicked by a mysterious storm that has blackened the sun.
Angela, go back to Thamor to calm the villagers. I'll help the animals.
And what of us, She-Ra?
Find Madame Razz and meet me back here. Come, Swiftwind! Away!
She-Ra works quickly to awaken the animals.
Feeling better, are you? Now, where's Madame Razz?
Right here. And look what I found roaming free. A mechanical double of me.
Perhaps it's more of Catra's schemes.
Of course. That's her trick. You puppet, feel my stick.
We must follow the river to find the cause of all this mess.
Hurry. Every moment lost allows the pollution to spread. Follow me!
Meanwhile, far upstream at the Fear Factory.
What have you learned from Thamor, spy?
Your majestic evilness, the rebels approach.
Excellent. Just as I hoped.
This stinking factory wasn't here before.
Look at the filth pouring from those drain pipes. No wonder the animals collapsed.
And no wonder the villagers panicked. The smoke belches forth like a volcano. What do you suppose is being built there?
No doubt it's where this machine was built. It's clearly evil. I'm sure of its guilt. Yes, it is true. Catra made me to be bad, but I couldn't be. When she ordered me to the scrap heap, I escaped. I know I look evil.
It isn't how someone looks that's important. It's how she feels in her heart that really matters.
That rust pot doesn't have a heart. Don't forget, Catra made that cheap counterpart. She-Ra, I must warn you, Catra is making robot copies of all of you.
We must stop her from making any more. But how do we get into the place?
Well, if you want my advice, a dash of magic would be nice. Break down the doors and rattle the floors. Magic shake and magic jam. What I need is a battering ham. I know I'm just a faulty machine, but didn't she mean battering ram?
Sometimes Madame Razz gets her magic all mixed up, but she means well. I've got a plan. We'll follow Glimmer's light into the factory. Stay close. We'll probably find trouble here.
I hope so. I'd like nothing better.
Suddenly, She-Ra and the others are face to face with their own evil mechanical doubles.
She-Ra and her do-good friends. You come to my fear factory at last. Yeah.
Catra, your evil, polluting scheme will never work.
That's what you think, She-Ra. Robots, attack and destroy!
That remains to be seen for Etheria and freedom! I'll get you.
Yield!
I'll put a charge in your circuits, robot!
Give up now. It's hopeless, Sheila. For every robot you destroy, I can make hundreds more.
Oh my! It does look hopeless. What can I do? What can I do?
Welcome back, robot. This is your chance to become what you were made to be.
I know what I have to do.
The robot reject leaped into the teeth of Catra's machine.
You fool! You've destroyed it!
The robot! She sacrificed herself to save us!
My factory is exploding! I must escape!
Catra's escaping! We have to get out of here!
Wait! I will not go without my friend. My mind's made up. To her I must attend.
I'll help you.
Sheila and her friends barely escaped the raging inferno. Bo and Razz lay the robot gently before Sheila.
I will gather all my healing powers to save our fearless friend. My healing powers won't work. Not on a machine.
That's not just a machine. With a burst of magic, you'll see what I mean.
The robot's changing.
Look! Our friend has become a rainbow.
The promise of a new beginning, a new hope.
Yes, magic has changed the robot. The greatest magic of all. Love.